Hey, Big Dipper, it is time to do some math. Are you ready? So today we're going to review our tens and our ones. So these are our one block. And we have 10 one blocks. And we know that 10 one blocks equal 1 10 block. So our one blocks, when we have 10 one blocks, they equal 1 tens block. So let's review breaking apart our numbers. So we have 35. So 35, we have 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many tens do we have? We have 3 tens. 10, 20, 30. So when we see a number like 35, we know that we have 5 ones and 3 tens. 64. We have 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have 6 tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 is our tens and 4 is our ones. Now we're going to review adding. So first, you want to use your place value mat. Now would be a good time to pause your video and go get your place value mat or make a place value mat. Awesome. So for today, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to break our numbers into tens and ones. And when we have a math problem like 43 plus 22, we always want to begin with the first number in our problem. So first we're going to break apart 43. We have 3 ones and 4 tens. Now we're going to break apart 22. 2 tens, 2 ones, and 2 tens. So this is how we set up our problem when we're adding with our place value mat. After you set up your problem, you want to add your ones first and then your tens. So we are going to use our ones block to add our ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Now we're going to add them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now we're going to add our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20. Now we're going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So our answer is 65. Let's do another one together. All right, so now we're going to give it a try. First, we're going to set up our problem and use our manipulatives. So remember, when you're setting up your problem, you're going to always start with the first number of your problem. In this case, 54. 54 has 4 ones and 5 tens. Now 34. 34 has 4 ones and 3 tens. Now we're going to add our ones first. So now let's count how many ones we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to add our tens. So we can count by tens, or you can just simply count all your 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. We have 88. So 54 plus 34 equals 88. Let's do another one together. Oh, let's take a picture of your work. Okay, 66 plus 32. So first we break apart our first number in our problem, which is 66. We have 6 ones and 6 tens. Now we're going to break apart 32. We have 2 ones and 3 tens. Now we can use our manipulatives or counters. And now we're going to add our ones first. Let's count how many ones we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Now let's use our 10 base blocks to add our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 98. So 66 plus 32 is 98. Take a picture of your work. All right, guys, so this is a great time to pause the video. And for today, you are going to do St. Patrick's addition worksheet, and you're going to use your place value mat and your addition checklist. We'll talk again tomorrow. Hey guys, today is Tuesday, and we're going to learn about addition with regrouping. So you can tune into the video after you listen to the PowerPoint lesson. Okay, so first we are going to use our place value mat. So make sure you have it for today's lesson. Pause the video to go and get it. Okay, are you ready to begin? So first we break our numbers into ones and tens. We always start with the first number in our problem. We learned this yesterday. So our problem is 45 plus 15. So the first number in our problem is 45, and we have 5 ones and 4 tens. And now we break apart 15. We have 5 ones and 1 10. And this is how we set up our problem before we begin to add. Okay, once your problem is set up, we add our ones first. We always add our ones first. So we're using our counters, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, we can't have a 10 in the ones place. So what we do is we keep our 0 and we move our 1 over to the tens column. So after you're done adding your ones, you carry your number over to the tens and add all your tens together. So we added our tens, our ones, and we're going to keep that 0, and then that 1, we're going to carry it over and put it on top of our tens. And now we're going to use our manipulatives to help us add. We have 1. So now we're going to count all of our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So our answer is 60. Let's do another one together. All right, so you're going to need your place value mats and your manipulatives to solve together. Okay, so after you're done adding your ones, remember you carry your number over to the tens and add all your tens together. So let's see what our problem is. Our problem is 39 plus 11. So we're going to set it up. 9 ones, 3 tens, 1 ones, 1 10. Once you guys are done setting up your problem, pause the video and add. All right, let's add together. I'm going to use my counters. I have 9 and 1. We're going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we cannot have the number 10 in our ones place. So we're going to keep our 0 and we're going to carry our 1 over to the tens place. And now we're going to add our tens. And we have 5. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So first you add your ones, then you carry your extra number over to your tens, you place it on top, and then you add all of your tens together. Let's do another one. Okay, our number is 56 plus 27. So we're going to break apart our 56. We have 6 ones and 5 tens, 2 7, 2 ones, and 2 tens. And we have some of our counters already out. All right. So now we're going to count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we can't put 13 here. So we're going to place our 3. Sorry about that. And then we're going to carry our 1 over to our tens column. So now we're going to count all of our ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So our answer is 83. So when we are regrouping, the answer that we get in our ones, if it's greater than 10 or bigger than 10, we carry the number over to our tens column, and then we add all the numbers all together. Let's do another one. So our problem is 74 plus 16. So we're going to break apart 74, 4 ones, 7 tens, 6 ones, 1 10. Now is a great time to pause the video and you guys can solve the problem. Awesome. Let's check our work. So we're going to add our ones first. 4 plus 6 is 10. So I have a 0. I'm going to take my 1 and carry it over to our tens. And now I'm going to add my tens. So I have 7 plus 1 plus 1. It's 90. This problem looks a little tricky because I don't have the counters helping me to count and add. Take a picture of your work when you're done. All right, let's do one more. 57 plus 33. We're going to break apart 57, 7 ones, 5 tens, 3 ones, 3 tens. This is a great time to pause the video, solve your problem, and take a picture. Awesome, guys. So 7 plus 3 is 10. We are going to carry our 1 to the top. And now our 1 becomes part of our tens group. Now we're going to add all of our numbers together. 5 plus 3 plus 1. And our answer is 9. So 90. Great job, guys. All right. So for today, you guys are done tuning into our PowerPoint video, and you are going to complete addition with regrouping worksheet, and you are going to do your place value mat, and addition checklist are going to be what's going to help you when adding. So pause the video to begin your worksheet and tune in again tomorrow. All right, guys, today is Wednesday, and today we are going to practice regrouping. So you can tune into this video after the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so first, we always want to use our place value mat to help us when adding our numbers. So make sure you have your place value mat ready to begin today's activity. Okay, let's begin. So we are adding 36 plus 36. We're going to set up our problem. We're going to break apart 36, 6 ones, 3 tens, 6 ones, 3 tens. Now we're going to add our ones first, which is 6 plus 6 is 12. So we keep our 2 and we carry our 1 over. And now we add our ones. 3 plus 3 plus 1 is 7. So remember, when you're adding, first you add your ones, regroup, and add your tens. Let's do another one. Let's solve. So we're going to set up our problem. 26 plus 24. I'm going to break apart 26. We have 6 ones, 2 tens, 4 ones, and 2 tens. Now we're going to add our ones. 6 plus 4. Let's count up from 6. We have 7, 8, 9, 10. So we place our 0. We carry our 1 over to our tens. And we are going to count up. So 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. Great work, guys. All right, let's do one more together and take a picture of your work. So we're going to set up our problem, 48 plus 48. So we're going to break apart 48, 8 ones, 4 tens, 8 ones, 4 tens. Now we're going to add our ones. Let's count up from 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we place the 6 in our ones and carry our 1 back to the tens place. And now we're going to add 4 plus 4 plus 1. So let's count up from 4, 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're going to add 1. We're going to count up 1 time from 8. The next number is 9. So our answer is 96. Make sure you take a picture of your work when you are done solving the problem. Okay, so we're going to solve another one. Let's break apart our number. 55 plus 55. You're going to break apart 55. We have 5 ones, 5 tens, 5 ones, 5 tens. Seems to have been an error there. That's supposed to be a 5. So 5 plus 5 is 10. We're going to carry our 1 over, and this answer is supposed to be 5. So 5 plus 1 plus 5, we're going to pretend this is a 5, and our answer is 100. Let's do another one. 72 plus 18. We're going to break apart 72, 7 ones, 2 ones, 7 tens, 8 ones, 1 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we put the 0, which is our ones, into our 1 column, and then the number 1 from the 10 We're moving it over to our tens column, and now we're adding 7 plus 1 plus 1, which is 90. Hope you take a picture of some of your work. All right. So for today, you guys can pause the video, and now you are going to complete your worksheet of 2-digit addition with regrouping, and you're going to use your place value mat and your addition checklist. Okay, guys, welcome back. Today is Thursday, and today we're going to work on addition word problems. So let's review some addition vocabulary. So we have our plus sign, and here are some words that we think about when we have an addition word problem. All together, sum, join, in all, add, combine, and more. So when we see the words all together, sum, join, add, in all, combined, and more, we think of addition. So Jeremy has 25 cookies in the oven in the oven, and he needs to bake another 25. How many cookies did Jeremy bake in all? So our math word here is in all. This tells us that we are going to add 25 plus 25. So now we're going to break apart our numbers, 25 plus 25, into our ones and our tens. 5 plus 5 is 10. We carry our 1. And now 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 50. So this is how we would add an addition problem with regrouping. So the word in all tells us it's addition. Okay, Lisa has 36 marbles. She has I can't read that. 44 marbles. How many marbles do they have in all? How many marbles do they have all together? So our target word here is all together. All together tells us that it is an addition problem. So we're going to break our numbers apart. We have 6 ones. We're going to add 36 plus 44. 6 ones, 3 tens, 4 ones, 4 tens. And we're going to add our numbers. Pause the video while you guys solve the problem. Great job solving. So 6 plus 4 is 10. We carry our 1. And now we add 4 plus 3 plus 1. And our answer is 80. So they have 80 marbles all together. All right. What is the sum of 72 and 18? In this case, our target word is sum. Sum tells us that we are going to add. So we're going to break apart 72 and 18. So we have 2 ones, 7 tens, 8 ones, and 1 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. We're going to carry our 1 over, and now we're going to add 7 plus 1 plus 1, which is 9. So our answer is 90. What number do you get when you join 65 and 35? In this problem, our addition word is join. When we see the word join, we know we are going to add. So we are going to add together 65 plus 35. And we're going to set up our problem and break our numbers apart. We have 5 ones, 6 tens, 5 ones, and 3 tens. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we're going to put our 0 in our ones column, and our 1 is going to be carried over to our 10. And now we're going to add 1 plus 6 plus 3, which equals 10. So our answer is 100. Jacob has 33 cars. Joe has 47 cars. How many cars do they have combined? The word combined tells us that it is an addition problem. So our addition problem would be 33 plus 47. Now would be a great time to pause the video to solve the problem. Okay, great job. So 33 has 3 ones and 3 tens. 47 has 7 ones and 4 tens. And now we are going to add our ones first. 7 plus 3 is 10. Carry our 1 over to our tens column. Now we're going to add 1 plus 3 plus 4. We get 8. Our answer is 80. So Jacob and Joe have 80 cars combined. Okay, so now it's worksheet time. You guys can pause the video. For today, you're going to do addition word problem worksheet. You're going to use your place value mat and your addition checklist. And for this worksheet, you are going to look for the addition word in the problem. Make sure you underline, circle, or color the addition word. Okay, guys, today is Friday and it's Fun Friday. For today, we are going to roll the dice, build our numbers, and add. So you're going to click on the link and roll the dice. Solve at least 5 problems and record them on your math and roll worksheet. So you guys have a math and roll worksheet. You can use real dice if you do not want to use the link that I gave, but if you do not have dice, you can use the link. So you are going to click the link. And then right here where it says roll dice, you're going to roll your dice. And then you're going to record your numbers. So we have 1, 2, 2, and 5. So the first two numbers, your first roll is 25. And then you're going to roll again. And then roll it again. Now your second roll is 32. So your two numbers that you will be adding is 25 plus 32. If you have real dice, please use real dice. If you do not, please use the link provided. Awesome, guys. That is it for today. Have a great weekend.